everybody. You take the dog out and he cries to come back. Take him to the lodge and he comes all the way running back.
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
That's what Jake does, he just sits on it. Come Jake. Bullet, come. Come Bullet. Bullet, come.
This is a very nice special act.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Good combination.
Yeah, a lot of love.
And the dog refuses to eat its pellets now. He just wants to eat chicken, same as the Jake.
But these
Yeah.
grew up together.
Yeah.
Or they grew up
The
together.
Jaguar grew up in the house and every time we used to leave the house he used to cry. So we got the puppy at that time to keep him company. And now the buddies, they don't want to be sick.
And then normally it wouldn't. They wouldn't.
No, never.
Yeah.